What if, instead of logging into a dashboard to check your monitoring, you could just ask an AI assistant, is anything down right now, and get a real answer from your actual UptimeRobot account? That's what UptimeRobot's MCP integration does. It connects any AI assistant directly to your UptimeRobot account so you can check status, investigate incidents, create monitors, even post updates to your status page, all in plain language. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up and then walk you through the things you'll use it for. What this actually is, MCP stands for Model Context Protocol, and in plain terms, it turns your AI assistant into a control panel for your monitoring. Instead of clicking through the dashboard, you type what you want in natural language and the assistant does it against your real account. Setting it up. Because MCP is an open standard, UptimeRobot's MCP server isn't limited to one tool. It works with any AI client that supports custom MCP connectors. I'm going to demonstrate Claude here, but the same server works everywhere else too. Setup takes a couple of minutes and it works across whichever way you use Claude: the web app, the desktop app, or Claude Code. Let me show you all three. On Claude AI, go to Settings, then Connectors, and click Add Custom Connector. You give it a name, like UptimeRobot, and paste in one server URL, mcp.uptimerobot.com/mcp. When you add it, it opens the UptimeRobot login, you approve access, and you're connected. After doing this process to test it, you can ask something like, how many monitors do I have? On Claude Desktop, the process is pretty similar. You'll find connectors either in Settings, like I'm doing here, or through the plus button at the bottom of the chat. Add the same URL, approve the login, and you're set. I would also encourage you to test it by asking, how many monitors do I have? And in Claude Code, it's a single command in your terminal. That registers the server, and Claude Code walks you through the login. Stay in the same terminal or open a new panel, type Claude, and you're ready to start asking UptimeRobot relevant questions. What you'll actually use it for. MCP can do a lot. I'm going to focus on the things you'll reach for most. Checking status without opening the dashboard. This is the everyday one. Is anything down right now? Or what's the uptime on my API monitor this month? You get answers from your real data instantly without leaving the conversation you're already in. Investigating incidents. When something's going wrong, you can ask, what incidents happened in the last 24 hours? Or give me the full details of the latest incident on the API monitor. It's a fast way to get the picture during or after an outage in plain language without digging through screens. Creating and adjusting monitors. You can set up a monitoring by just describing it. Create an HTTP monitor for example.com, checking every 5 minutes, or change it to every 10 minutes. The things you'd normally click through, done in one sentence. Managing your status page, including during an incident. Your AI assistant can post an announcement straight to your public status page. So in the middle of an outage, you can say, post an announcement on the My Awesome Product status page. We are investigating elevated error rates on the payment service. It goes live for your customers. When it's fixed, update the latest announcement to say the issue is resolved. You're communicating with your customers during an incident without ever leaving your assistant, which, when things are on fire, is genuinely faster. Managing groups and integrations. For bigger setups, you can organize monitors into groups and check your alert integrations. List all my monitor groups, which integrations are currently paused, all through the same conversational interface. A couple of honest limits. 2 things worth knowing so you're not surprised. First, deleting isn't available through an MCP. You can create, update, and post things, but deleting a monitor or a group or a status page has to be done in the dashboard. That's a deliberate safety choice. You don't want an AI assistant deleting your monitoring on a misunderstanding. Second, some features depend on your plan. Things like monitoring groups, incident comments need a plan that includes them. If you ask for something your plan doesn't cover, it will just let you know. Who this is for? If you live in an AI assistant already using Claude or ChatGPT throughout your day, MCP means your monitoring lives there too. Instead of being one more tab to check, if you're a developer, it means you can manage monitoring without context switching out of your workflow. And if you are on a team handling incidents, being able to check status and post status pages in updates in plain language fast during an outage, it's genuinely useful when minutes matter. It's not that MCP does the things that dashboard can't. It's that it puts your monitoring where you're already working, in language you already use. So that's UptimeRobot's MCP integration. The full setup guide and the complete list of what it can do is linked in the description. And if you haven't set up your first monitor yet, the traditional way, our how to monitor website uptime video walks you through it. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching and happy monitoring.